Welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. My name is Marie-France Garon. Today we're going to prepare a little appetizer or little finger food if you are hosting a cocktail or you have visitor, you want to have some little appetizer before dinner. Now the crab dish has to be a very popular one. Every time I make it, I get lots of compliments. People just love this, and it's just that easy to make. It's just delicious and so simple. Today I'm going to use the crab meat, and I'm going to use also some small prawns or shrimp. So, and they are cooked already. So we have here some Philadelphia cheese, just a small packet, 8 ounces or 225 grams of Philadelphia. And I left it out on the counter for about 1 hour to get it softer. So we're gonna mix that together, and it's just that simple. So this is gonna go in my small food processor here. I'm just gonna put the prawns first. Okay, that's enough. So that's gonna go in here with the cheese. Now, we could have mixed everything in the food processor, but I find it goes just a little bit too mushy. I prefer to mix it myself in the bowl after I chop all the things. So here, seafood flakes. Now, if you know this product, it's really easy to use, and I love it. It tastes really nice. However, in season, I would use the real crab or even lobster. You can make it what you like. But here we have the crab meat. Voila. Okay, so this is gonna go all in our bowl. I still have a big piece here. I'll just chop it. Simple. So this is going in a bowl. Now this is a dish that you can prepare in advance. You can prepare the day before. It's even better. It tastes nicer when it's been in the fridge for 24 hours. So you can do that. You can prepare it in advance, and it's already ready to serve. Now, I said there was a little piece that was left, so we'll give it a chop like that, and it will go in. And what else? So we're finished with that. We're finished with this. It's coming all together. It's nearly finished. So it's a very simple recipe, easy to prepare and delicious. Now we're gonna put some green onion, and we want the green part of the green onion here for that. So we'll leave the other part aside, and then we're just gonna chop a few bits. I think that will be just enough here. Some green onion in there. And also some fresh parsley. So again, we're gonna just cut a little bit of it here, and your fresh parsley. Just take that off here, and we're gonna chop the parsley. This is how you go. You just fold it all together, and then with your knife you can chop and have some nice chopped parsley. Doesn't matter, it all gonna go in just like that. Lots of parsley, and to finish, just a little bit of lemon juice, catching the pips here. Okay, not even half. I'm not squeezing it too much, and we can add some more if we need to, just to see what consistency we have. So, and that's all. We're gonna just mix that together, leave it in the fridge until tomorrow if you want to. So it's that simple. We have our beautiful crab dip here, and this is just ready to use. Now I'll show you just a few things how I like to serve this. I mean, yeah, of course you can put it on some little toasts or biscuits, or put it in a small bowl like this and put some biscuits around and people can take some. What I like to do is I like to keep it low carb. And a lot of people today like that too. So there's a few things that we can do to not having to use biscuits. We can use celery, and I'll show you how I do. I might cut the piece of celery that size, and what I will do, I will cut just a little bit at the back here because it's gonna help us to sit it properly. See? So my celery is gonna sit now properly. When I serve it in the plate, I can prepare them already just like this, and just put some of the crab meat on the celery, and put a little bit more, and put it all like this, and have it all in a plate. I'll just leave a little bit here so the people can grab it there. So this is just a really nice way to eat dip. And hey, you know, you can use the celery like this with any other dips that you may want to prepare. Another way I like to do is to put it on a slice of cucumber instead of a biscuit. So, and just to make it a little bit fancy, what you do is you run your fork on the cucumber just like that, and some little peels will come out, but it's good, that's what we want. Just like this with your fork, and you press a little bit hard here and take off some of the extra little bits that want to come off. And here you have some healthy low carb biscuits. And they look great. They look like this. What we do with the little fork. So here we can put some dip on the cucumber, just like that, and serve it together with our celery. And again, this can replace biscuits anywhere that we use them. So this is our famous crab dish. This is one of the favorites of many people, and so I hope you try this recipe. It's that simple and it's easy to do, can be prepared in advance. So enjoy and try this recipe. It's delicious.